Hey guys, so today I wanted to do a quick review on my floor lamp. I really like this lamp, guys. It gives off a lot of light. It also has like a gooseneck feature here, so you can like move it towards the back, you can move it towards the front, you can just move it literally anywhere, so it's super flexible. I really like that. It also gives off a lot of light. As you can see, I'm gonna move it towards the wall so you can kind of see how much light it gives when it's pointing towards the light. So I really like that. Also, I don't know if you noticed, but it does make a little bit of a noise. It does make a little bit of a noise, guys, but I've been having it for more than 2 years, so that can probably be the reason. Also, the base here, it's very stable, guys, because it's not super heavy, so you can move it around, but it's heavy enough for it to like stay put and be stable. The cord here is not this super long cord, but it's long enough to like reach your wall outlet, so I really like that. Now, another cool feature that it has, guys, is that it actually has 2 different levels of brightness. So we have the level that it's on right now, and then we have a stronger level, as you can see. And whenever you want to turn it off, you can just put it towards the middle and it will turn off. But I really like this lamp, guys. It's actually a very strong lamp. It's super flexible, and I would definitely recommend it.